Hello superstars, welcome kids to the Kiddies World, जहां learning होती है full on fun के साथ। आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक मजेदार और important grammar topic, verbs, present and past tense. Today we'll learn about action words that tell us what is happening now, that is present, and what already happened, that is past. Let's jump into time-traveling verbs. Let's begin our lesson. Present tense is when something is happening now. I like ice cream. Kate bakes cookies. Past tense is when something already happened. I liked ice cream yesterday. Kate baked cookies last week. Can you hear the difference? Like, liked. Bake, baked. The verbs in red above show actions that take place in the present time. The verbs in blue above show that the actions took place in the past. When we talk about something now, we use the present tense. Like, I run, I go, I move. But if it already happened, we say, I ran, I went, I moved. See this magic trick? We just add ed to make the past form of many verbs. Look, act becomes acted. Cook becomes cooked. Stitch becomes stitched. Let's try with more words. I earn coins. Yesterday, I earned coins. I talked to my friend. Yesterday, I talked to my friend. Wait, if a verb ends with E, just add D. Like becomes liked. Close becomes closed. Activity time. Let's do this activity together. Are you ready to turn simple verbs into past tense? Care, cared. We add D because care already ends in E. Play, played. Easy. Just add ed and you're done. Save, saved. Walk, walked. Roll, rolled. Wash, washed. Watch, watched. Jump, jumped. Dance, danced. Ask, asked. Need, needed. Brush, brushed. Great job, बच्चों! आज की लर्निंग जर्नी थी फुल ऑन फन। लाइक करना ना भूलो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में होती है लर्निंग और मस्ती। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम एक और ऑसम टॉपिक के साथ। बाय बाय बच्चों, सीखते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो।